You don't need side hustles in 2026. By the end of this video, you will stop stressing about side hustles and instead maximize the one income stream you already have. Let's dive into it. Maybe you've started searching for side hustles already. May it be online side hustles, multiple income streams to start, passive income to start, side business I can start this 2026, whatever it may be. But I'm about to convince you that you don't need those. Okay? You need to manage your one income stream better. You need to maximize your one income stream a lot more because that's what I've been through. I achieved my first million with one income stream. I didn't need to have side hustles or multiples of income streams. Let me give you three reasons that will convince you that side hustles actually keep you small and not rich. Diving into the first reason, which is that side hustles put you in the trap of I'll earn more if I hustle more. Without realizing, you create this belief, that mindset that I'll only earn more if I work extra hours. I'll only increase my salary if I hustle and grind 24/7. If I stop hustling, then I'm not gonna earn well. And what does that really cost you? Your well-being, your peace of mind, your sanity, honestly. And what I've seen with my clients as my work as a money mindset coach is that they end up becoming a slave for money. They are chasing this endless hamster wheel thinking that okay, if I start this side hustle, if I start this other income stream, then I'll finally be contented, I'll finally have enough. But it turns out to be the opposite because when they rest, when they chill for a while, it's like they can't operate, like they feel guilty because they've created the mindset that I'll only earn well if I hustle. What actually ends up happening is that because you're so distracted by so many side hustles, multiple jobs, spreading yourself so thin, trying to learn new skills for new income streams, is that it prevents you from building the career you actually want. Because what happens is side hustles just become a distraction. They distract you from the career you actually want. This reminds me of an OFW client who has been a caregiver abroad. And she thought that because I have debts, I need to hustle more. I need to work extra hours. I need to work overtime. I need to keep accepting more hours to work. And even if I end up not eating as much or not sleeping as much, it's okay because I need that money to pay off my debts. But what actually happened was that because she has been working extra hours, it actually prevented her from prioritizing the career that she actually wanted, which is that she wanted to be a licensed nurse in a different country. But she wasn't able to prioritize that because she had been so burnt out in being a caregiver because she kept accepting so many shifts that it ended up not only compromising her well-being, but also it compromised her time that she could have studied for nursing. And so I remembered when I was coaching her through this and I made her realize that na she had been so focused on the debt as the problem that she didn't realize that it has been preventing her from actually earning better as a nurse because she knew that if she'd taken the time to study and to get that license as a nurse, then she would have a better life in a different country and a better salary and a better work-life balance situation. And this is what happens when you're so caught up in more side hustles, more shifts, multiple jobs. You need to ask yourself, like, are these jobs, side hustles, actually contributing to the career I want, the life I want, or is it taking away from the lifestyle that I truly desire? This is why side hustles keep you small. They keep you focused on the extra cash, the extra income, but you don't see how it's compromising your life, your career in the long term. Second reason why side hustles keep you small is that the extra income you earn only gets used up to cope with the stress. No matter how much of an overachiever you are, you will reach a breaking point. Okay, if you're sleep deprived, if you don't have time for yourself, you're going to find an outlet to cope with that. And what I've seen with my clients is either they cope with the stress through retail therapy or may it be through experiences. Like I have a client na I've gone through a Taylor Swift concert knowing I can't afford it. I still had debts to pay, and I share that because that's not being shared online. You don't see that on social media. You see people going in concerts, enjoying their lives, but you don't see what's happening behind the scenes, right? Like, could that be a coping mechanism? Or I have clients who are doing a lot of beauty treatments for self-care because they've been so stressed, they've been so deprived of time for themselves. So what happens, the extra income you earn goes to these mindless, unnecessary things that may feel good for a while, but you end up regretting because maybe you thought, I should have saved that more, or I should have invested that instead, whatever it is. Or maybe the extra income you earn, you cope with the stress by overgiving to your loved ones because you want to make it feel like it's worth it, that I'm able to help my family. Maybe as a breadwinner, you're like, at least I'm able to support my family. I'm able to provide them with experiences, vacations, cover their bills, all of that. And that helps you justify that it's okay that I am so tired, I'm exhausted, I'm burnt out because at least I get to help my family. Because what actually ends up happening is that what I've seen with my clients is that it builds up resentment, that I'm only working for others. I don't get to benefit from the fruits of my labor. And even though it may feel like I am not being selfish because I'm using the extra income to help others, in the long run, it's gonna build up into something else. And you're gonna need an outlet. And so I share this because I want you to have that awareness that, am I going down that path? Because if you get used to the habit of overgiving or constantly prioritizing everyone else's needs above your own, it's gonna be harder to move away from that, even if you have multiple income streams, even if you add a second income stream. And I say that because I've seen it. I've seen it with so many clients, right? They come to me and be like, I've moved abroad. I have increased my income. I have another business, but I still feel guilty for not giving away the extra money I have. I still feel guilty if I prioritize myself. It's because, again, earning more is not gonna change how you think about money. It's not gonna change how you spend your money. It only exposes the habits you already have. So what happens is that side hustles only keep you in the hamster wheel of like, I'm earning more, I see the extra money, but the extra money doesn't actually make me feel more free or give me more peace. It actually contributes to putting me back in that cycle that you don't want anymore. Third reason why side hustles keep you small is you get used to short-term thinking, because what I often see is that side hustles become short-term fixes, quick fixes, short-term solutions. May it be that, oh, this extra income I earn, I can finally pay off a debt, or I can finally help a relative, or I can finally cover up or make up for the past money mistake I've done the past few months, whatever it is. You get to do that, but it only touches the surface level solutions. You don't actually get to address the root issue. What happens is that side hustles make you address symptoms, not the root issue. You would be like, okay, because I'm in the cycle of debt, finally the extra income is gonna pay off a debt. But is it gonna give you confidence that you're gonna stay debt free? Or maybe the extra income is finally going to pay off your credit card bill with so many of your impulsive purchases, or pay off your SPay later because of all of the unnecessary spending that you've spent on, and you use that extra income for that, the side hustle for that. Does it address the root issue of why you keep giving into instant gratification? Or maybe the extra income goes to help a relative who's been asking for money and you finally like, you can help, right? Which is great. But then does it address the root issue of why it's so hard for you to say no? Or why it's so hard for you to create boundaries with your family when it comes to giving? And that's what I mean, that side hustles put you in short term thinking. It doesn't create a holistic long term solution. Without that deeper awareness of the root issue of what puts you in debt, what makes you impulsive with purchases, what makes it hard to say no to your family, the cycle will continue whether you have multiple side hustles, multiple income streams, so many passive income. And so before you get to that point that you've hustled so much and yet you're still in the same money problem, don't start another side hustle, or don't put yourself in another side hustle hamster wheel. This is why it's been my mission as a money mindset coach to help Filipino professionals achieve financial freedom with one income stream, just like I have. Because I almost resorted to like, I need to start side hustles to finally fund the life I want, to finally achieve financial freedom, but I'm so glad I didn't. Instead, I really looked into my habits around money. Like, if I'm still impulsive with spending, if I'm still struggling to save consistently, if I'm still anxious spending on myself, no extra income will solve that, will magically fix that. This inspired me to create my upcoming free live workshop on how to make side hustles optional in 2026 so that you could achieve financial freedom with one income stream. Make sure you sign up through the link below so you don't miss it, because this is where I'll dive into the proven frameworks where you could enjoy the fruits of your labor while feeling secure about your future with one income stream without having to hustle harder, without having to burn yourself out in the process. It is possible, not only in my experience of being able to achieve my first million with one income stream, but I've also seen it with my clients who have already gone through the hustle, the burnout, and still haven't addressed the root issue of their money problems. So if you want to finally create that long-term holistic solution in addressing the root of your money problems, instead of putting yourself in the cycle of hustling more and earning more but not feeling satisfied, then make sure you join my free live workshop so that you could learn more about my proven frameworks and how it could apply to your unique financial situation. In this workshop, you will learn about my one income multiplier method, wherein you're going to understand how can I leverage, focus on one income stream based on my zone of genius that will increase my earning potential without adding extra hours, without hustling harder, without burning myself out in the process. Instead, be able to have confidence to focus on one income stream that would allow me to fund my huge life milestones. So you will learn from my experience and also case studies from my clients so that you could see that financial freedom is possible with one income stream if you follow the right blueprint. In this training, you also understand how to address the root issue of your spending problem so that you don't get into the cycle of hustling more, earning more, but the problem is still there. So you will learn how to build sustainable money habits and systems by addressing the subconscious root issue that is deeply ingrained in your mindset around money. So you will learn my science-backed techniques that have worked for me and also my clients. And lastly, in this workshop, you'll get a peek of how you could build a sustainable financial roadmap and system for funding your major life milestones this 2026, because you are able to not only maximize your one income stream, but you have confidence that you can manage it properly to get to these big dreams that you have. You will learn this process that has helped my clients to shift from thinking that I'm so anxious, I'm not earning enough, I'm never saving enough, to thinking that actually one income is more than enough if I manage it well. So again, make sure you sign up through the link below for my free live workshop. You wouldn't want to miss it. There will also be a live Q&A over there so that you could really personalize the learnings according to your situation. So again, make sure you sign up through the link below for my free workshop, and I'm so excited to see you there. And if you feel like you need more convincing why side hustles shouldn't be your priority anymore this 2026 and not stress over them, then make sure you watch this next YouTube video, and I'll see you there.